Alright, so first thing I just want to welcome you guys to this tutorial. This is going to be a short video, probably 2 or 3 minutes at the most, or 5. If you guys have any questions, so it's basically just to explain you how is it that you're going to set up the indicator that, well, basically it's just going to be the signal alert that you guys will be able to use on MT4. Okay. So first thing I want to, if you guys have your computer there with you, is I want you guys to open your, there you go. I'm sharing my screen right now. You guys are able to see it? Perfect. So here's the deal. The signal provider that I'm going to give you guys today, and I sent you guys an email with a code on it. What basically it's just going to do is it's just going to give you a sound alert telling you if that you should sell or buy an option on Forex. Of course, this will be useful as well for binary options. As you guys can see on my, I have my MT4. This is a demo account for Autotraders. So what I have right here is basically you guys can see this red arrow. It was formed to let me know that I should go with a sell. And if I would have put a sell in here, then I would have gotten an in the money. And I'm in a 50-minute chart in here. So if I would have a put, it will have an in the money for 15 and 30 minutes. Now with a call in here, you guys will see the arrow, and the arrow is going to tell you go with a call. It's a blue arrow, and if you guys would have gotten for a 5 or 15-minute call, then what you guys would have been in the money. Now this, like I said, is not 100% accurate though, and there's no signal that is 100% accurate. However, this one will give you the option to trade without following the signal, and it will give you the option so that you can start making profit even when there's no signals available on the wall. Now I'm looking at Euro USD, which is one of the pairs that I have been the craziest during this week, and I was looking at the other pairs and still they are crazy. If you guys notice right here, I have a position open on this demo account for sell, um, and right here the arrow said it was going to be a call, and this one was in the money. And what I want you guys to understand is why is it that the arrows will be formed is basically because the blue line of the stat dog oscillator will go across the red line. Is pretty much like MACD indicator. The only difference though is that this one, it will just give you the signals whenever there's an extreme drop or jump into the signals. If you guys notice right here, he went across but it didn't give you a signal. Now here he did, because he went over the area of the limits, and then he came back real strong. So that's basically what I'm looking for in here. This will be tested on demo from your part. And one of the things I do want to recommend you is that don't judge the results by this week going to the next week, because the rest this and next week will actually be crazy weeks. And I don't want you to judge wrong the signal provider just because of the crazy markets that we've been having due to the election right now. So as of right now, let me go ahead and show you how is it that you're gonna input the code that I have sent you. I just, what I did is that I sent you a an text file, so you can just copy and paste. It's pretty simple. So what you guys will do is that, and this part right here is where it's gonna appear. You guys will go with the to this part right here with the meta editor, and you're gonna click on it. Once you click on it, this is gonna display this screen right here. You got let me see, let me share it. Let me see. Let me see. There you go. So it's gonna give us this screen, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have it right here, like right here, empty. We're gonna go with the new. I'm sorry, I have it in Spanish. And then we're gonna go with the personalized indicator. We're gonna click on next. We're gonna give a name to it. let's say for example BLW signal alert, right? And then you're gonna go next. On calculate, just gonna click on next as well. It's just basically a regular alert. So you guys notice it will give you this notepad. So what you guys are gonna do is just go Control A, or depending on what language you have on your keyboard. You're gonna delete that. Then you're gonna copy the what we have for the signal alert, and then we're gonna paste it back. You're gonna open the notepad that I sent you, and you're gonna paste the code here. Once you guys are finished, you guys are gonna go here where it says compile, and you guys are gonna compile the file. And when you guys are done compiling the file, you guys will see. Let me see. You guys will see your own strategy in here. I put the name Extreme on it. Let's see. There he is. So you guys open it. It says audible alerts on the inputs, and it says true. When you click accept or apply, that means that you guys will have those sounds activated when you guys are trading. Okay, it's pretty simple. It's just copy paste. When you guys do it, make sure you start practicing the demo. You keep open the MetaTrader. Like I said, you guys can have it in 15, 5, or 30 minutes. I do not recommend 1 minute trades in here. You guys notice in 30 minutes, we have one in the money here. Let me see if we have another one. No, it just doesn't let me go and check. All right, so this is pretty much it, guys. So like I said, it's a pretty brief video. It's just to explain you as to how you guys are going to use the strategy. Now, one thing I do want to point out, though, is that the alert usually comes after the arrow is already formed. So I would recommend you to keep an eye on the actual platform. The reason why I shared it without fixing that up is because you guys were demanding and you guys wanted to try it out, and I don't have any problems since it's a free signal provider that I'm giving you all. I don't have any problems by giving it like this, so that you guys have the opportunity to test that, and then we can fix it together. As soon as I have it fixed, I'll go ahead and share the fixed version to y'all. Um, uh, the only last thing I want to tell you, though, is that you guys cannot share this code to any other member. Um, I'm telling you, this is just as a warning. If you guys do it, you'll be permanently banned from the group forever and ever. And I understand you might think, oh, okay, so I already have the code, so it doesn't matter because I'm start making money. Yeah, I understand that. You're gonna end up with a code. You can sell the code. You can do whatever you want. But if, one of the features that this group has is that we're always innovating, and you're gonna miss all the future opportunities that we may have, the copy trader and everything that we've been working on throughout the last few weeks. So just want to tell you once again, do not share the code. Everybody has a chance to get the code. You guys had to comply with a requirement in order to get the code. So I just want you guys to respect that. It's my decision. It's how I'm going to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy the playing with it during the next week. Share your results if you want to. Contact me through my email. If you guys have any questions, go to binarylivingway@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to explain any specific details that you might have about this, okay? So I want to thank you very much for your time, and let's start making money. Take care all.